I used to want to escape the stress and anxiety of the city. The clutter, chaos, housing crisis, and oh, the smell.
Or maybe that was just downtown Toronto.
All this overstimulation, I thought, is fuel for my neuroticism. Pollution everywhere, noise, light, air. And the hustle culture, that constant go, go, go with hardly a smile or hello. No wonder city dwellers seem so
Jaded.
But after living 1 month in rural Manitoba, I realized I was just using the city as a scapegoat. The problem is not the city. The problem was within me.
Like and follow if you want me to drop the lessons I've learned in Farmville, Manitoba.